and today we're unboxing the Decocrated home decor subscription box for spring 2020. If you're not familiar with this one, this is a seasonal. That means it comes 4 times a year, once with every season, as noted in the spring. Home decor box. So they send you a themed, like they pick everything out. And it's an assortment of things that will work for the season, but also that you can use around the year. There are interchangeable items. They always have like key elements, like for instance, brass. And then there's like a color story that they work with. And it all comes like in a little pamphlet that tells you about it. They also have featured artists that they kind of use their artwork for the season and all that good stuff. This box is 15 pounds because I'm looking at the packing shipping label. They're extremely efficient about packing everything in here super tight. So it always takes me a while to do these videos. But it's so much fun, and I love like working in the things from past seasons into this season. And so we're going to get into today's. These are $79.99. I do have a coupon code off, not just if you subscribe seasonally, it's $10 off, but I also have one if you subscribe annually. And I'll put the code down below, and I'll also put my affiliate link, because if you do buy from my link, I do make a commission off of that sale. I'm also sent this box for review purpose. Just want to put that out there before we get in. And yeah, if you're interested in my full review, I'll link down below to that in my blog. That's where all the real magic happens. My excellent writing. And yeah, and then I'll link to Decocrated. Yeah, so let's get in here. I'm super excited. I don't know anything that's in here in this box. There's usually some spoilers, but I haven't peeked. So yeah, as you can see, I don't know how much you can see. I have this, by the way, just going off on a tangent here. I have this wrist thing going on, and it, from like doing burpees, I have this pain right here, and I can't get rid of it. So anyway, this box is 15 pounds, and lifted up is making my wrist hurt. I'm gonna wuss out. So anyway, it's packed like this. I'm gonna put it on the floor because it makes life easier for me, and it might be more better for you, but you know, life is life. All right, so we have like some cardboard. All right, so here we have what looks to be a pillow cover. They weren't in the winter box, but they've been in like every single other box, and I honestly really look forward to them. So there's that. So this is our spring one. Now I'm gonna have to find a pillow that fits this, because this is a little bit of a different shape, but it is really beautiful. The back has just this kind of an aquamarine color, and like kind of almost a vintagey, like. And then it has like these vintage flowers. So there's a dahlia, a hyacinth, and a sunflower. And then there's little bugs all over it. Super cute. So these zip up. There's a little zipper pull right here. You shove your pillow in there. And there's that. Great way to just spruce up your space really quickly. All right. Sorry, everybody. Sorry, not sorry. All right. Here's our package with our insert, and there's always a 5x7 print, usually made by the featured artist. So for spring, it's this beautiful, this is kind of like what I call Caudalie pink. If you're familiar with Caudalie skincare products, this is the color of a lot of their little packages. And then it's always double-sided. So the back says, "May the flowers remind us why the rain was so necessary." So that's really cool. And this is black and white, which I kind of like as well. Personally, I like the simple, kind of modern. All right, then you open this up. Now, I don't want to give away too much for myself, but Deco Creators, this is their product development team, which is Kim Nevo. She's the featured artist, born and raised in Miami. She now lives in Broward with her husband, Jordan, and her furry assistant, Annie. So she studied graphic design. Then we have our style sheet, the colors for the box, the finishes, says whitewash wood and cherry wood. They have specific textiles like velvety textures and botanical imagery, like on our pillow sham. And then what's included: 1 interchangeable and seasonal decor, 4 everyday home accents, and then 2 seasonal accessories. The themes are spring memories and lovely sentiments. And on this side, there's everything in the box. And then they show you throughout this little pamphlet how to style all of the items. We'll look at that at the end though, because I like to be surprised. All right. So I started this habit of doing that when things aren't going my way. And I did it as a joke to like make my kids laugh. And now I do it all the time for no reason. And I have to figure out how to stop this madness, guys. I don't know how, but I'm gonna try. All right. So in here we have wood. So clever of me. Snap my shoulder. I'm really in a bad way today. Look, my whole arm hurts. All right, what the heck is this thing? I gotta get rid of that box. I hope there wasn't something in there. If there was, well, we're just gonna have to figure it out. All right, this is some sort of item. This is an item. Oh, is it a shelf? All right, so there's some parts here to put hanging up on your wall, I suppose. Okay, so I'm gonna put these off to the side and slip this out. Every time I open this, I worked in a gift shop when I was in my 20s, teens and 20s, and every time it smells like that gift shop. So it's a cool shelf. Is it a shelf? Actually, I don't know. We'll look in the book at the end and see what we're supposed to do with this, but it's super cool. It's white, and then it has gray chevron patterns on it, which is cool, and then it folds up, which is super nice. We're going to figure out what to do with that. I hope there was nothing else in that box, because then I'm going to have to walk over there and get it. Anyway, let's move along. All right. Fly by the seat of my pants. How about that? All right. And yes, that's the way I always turn the scissors. I'm a rebel. And a loner dotty. All right. Something else that is wood. Ooh, these are super good. So this is a little looks like a 5x7, maybe not, who knows. Some sort of a shape, size, whatever. A floral. Look, this is the cherry finish they're talking about. And then the floral is like, it's not actually black. It looks like more like brown, but it's just the outline and it's white. And I think that's so pretty and simple. Can't wait to hang that. So there's a second one here. And this is another, this is more herb than a flower. But there we go. So there's that one. And they do have the little bracket on the back. So that's cool. Don't know where I'm going to put them, but I'll put them somewhere. And then I will put on, like, in my review, I'll show you where I put everything, how I styled it, and all that good stuff. Obviously, in this little unboxing, we're not going to be doing that. So, oh, I'm just being honest. All right. I opened it upside down. I don't think it really matters. Ooh, this. What is it? Some sort of a lamp, right? Or is it like just a... Huh. Ooh, look, more of that finish. I really like that, actually. This would be cool for... you know what my nerd mind thinks of? Compost. Oh, we can put compost in it. It's like a little lantern, though. I guess you could put a candle in it or fresh flowers. Like, it's a vase, basically. I think that's really cool. And I love the color combination. I think that works well, not only with the finish and the color, but also with the white that they're using. I think that's neat. All right, so we're going to keep going here. These are just in there. My nose is itchy. I'm not picking it. I promise, guys. That's cool. I like that. All right. What's up? What's up? All right. All right. How many times did I say all right? Let's put a little timer up there. Somebody good at editing? All right. So this item is also wood. Ooh! Oh, yes! All right, so back in the old days, if you've been with Decocrated a long time, one of the first items you used to get in your box as like a free welcome gift was this cool little frame. It was natural wood finish, and then it had this thing, and then you could put your print inside of it. They stopped sending that out, but people I've seen in the group, they do have their own Facebook group that you can go like see people's stylings. So they've been asking for one, so they sent out this one. This is a white one. I really like this, and I think it looks beautiful with this. So I love that. I'm super loving that. I like it a lot. And then we're going to keep going because I think we're down to our final item here. And then we'll look at our little booklet. Oh, this is an interchangeable item. Somebody's going to clean that up later. It's me. So this is, all right, so these, oh, this is neat. Oh, I love this. It's not interchangeable. I lied. It looks like a stack of books, but it says collect beautiful moments. And I love this, and I'm going to put it on my mantle, and I think it's cool. I love it. I love that it looks like books because I'm a huge reader. I don't know if I've ever said that on here, but I like to read. I read a lot. I probably read more than I should, invest way too much time in that. I get distracted and read. But anyway, it says collect beautiful memories, and then you have it, it's like tied up with a cool string. So like almost every item in here either has wood or is wood. So that's pretty neat. If you love like the wood finish, this is going to be something for you. Now let's take a look at our booklet. All right. So we have our, yep. All right. So the first thing is the art print, and they show you on here a bunch of ways to style that. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to hang it on my plaque wall. I have like a wall of all these cool sayings. I like it, and that's what I'm going to do with it. Then there's the spring pillow. They show you here that you can obviously use it with the blue side, but then also, and I love this space here in general, it makes me very relaxed, is the flower side. So then the floral set, the two pictures with the black and white kind of lithography like looking guys, and you can see that they've worked in other, this basket was in a previous Decocrated box, and then this flower as well. They have it on a wall area, so I will probably, honestly, I'm not sure yet. I'll figure that out. I'm gonna work on it. I love this, by the way. This wall here, this finish is very cool. I saw somebody on my Facebook put wallpaper up that looked like that. That's a little too far for me. I'm not gonna wallpaper nothing, but anyway. You know what I'm saying? All right, so here's the bookshelf spruce up, or the stack of books. My bookshelves are a hot mess because I actually read. I noticed the more you actually read, the crappier your bookshelves look. I'm not aesthetic about it. I just throw them all over the place as I read them. My kids the same way. I also dog ear books, so I'm a bad person, in and out. All right, the spring planter. So, oh, it is a planner. So it's a little vase planner. Right here, but you can do a lot with that. I think you could honestly, what I thought of too right now as I said it out loud, is putting like kitchen tools like spoons, rubber spatulas, prongs, tongs, there you go, in it and stuff like that. That's kind of neat if it works with your motif, I should say. All right, the clip frame, that they're showing how to style that, and of course they're going to use the 5x7 print in there. My, oh my, the wood runner. Oh, so it's a table runner. That's neat. Where am I going to put it? See, I have a table runner for my dining room, and I really love it. It actually came in this box, and I kind of don't want to swap it out, so I might put this in my living room. I just don't want my kids to play with it. My kids will think it's a toy. But this is really cool how they have it here with the stack of books. I think I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. So that's probably my favorite item so far. So there is a Deco Shop, which is for members only, where you can go and buy additional items. They're here in the booklet. Ooh. Oh, look, I love that. Oh, I love that. Oh, look at that. I have a girlfriend that loves tiered trays. She actually like makes them. She'll go to like the thrift store and find stuff. But anyway, so you can, they have all their social sharing tools. They do have a referral program, I believe. Yep, refer a friend. So for your $79.99, you're getting your table runner, your 2 flower prints, your stack of books, your vase, or vase, whatever, however you say it, your cushion, your cover, cushion cover, pillow cover, and then also your print and your little frame, which I think is a great deal. I love this box. I think it's great to just kind of refresh your house every season. If you're going to do spring cleaning, this is a great time to do it, and then throw all your new stuff out and like really enjoy your new space in that moment. So yes, like I said, I will link down below to Decocrated, and I'll also link to my full review and all that good stuff. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.